Hey y'all, it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty. Today I'm here at 1360 Granite Drive, and you're not going to believe the sunrise views here. So grab a cup of coffee and check it out. With a sunrise like that, you'll never be hitting the snooze button at this lake house. Let's go inside and take a look around. So immediately when you come inside, you're going to notice this wide open floor plan. This awesome living room has plenty of natural light coming in from these windows. The lake views are non-stop. It goes right in here to this casual dining space and this very spacious kitchen. Look at all of this countertop space and cabinet space. Right back here, we have a half bathroom, also a laundry room, and plenty of space for all of your lake towels. Let's take it on over here where the master is on the main level. Coming into the master suite, you'll notice more gorgeous lake views. You have windows that go out to your sunroom, doors here so you can enjoy a nice cup of coffee in the morning watching that sunrise. Through here, we have an extremely spacious master bathroom. I mean, what I would do to have this much counter space in my bathroom at home. You have a great jacuzzi tub here, separate shower, separate water closet, and another linen closet here. His and her closets in this hallway going back to the bedroom. And let's go on and take it upstairs. On the second level of the house, we have 2 bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and this view. The secondary bedroom on the second level of this property has this great overlook, so it could also be utilized as a great home office, or if you need more privacy, you could close this in for a full bedroom. Let's go downstairs. Okay, here we are now on the terrace level where you'll see we have a great secondary living space. Now over here are these cool built-in cabinets that this client has used as a hobby space for sewing. The possibilities are truly endless here. You can fold it all up and it's like nothing ever happened. I need one of those. Over here we have another guest suite. Now this bedroom is very spacious. It's about the same size as the master. Down this hallway we have a full bathroom and then another bedroom here on the terrace level. Before we round out the terrace level, I want y'all to notice this awesome storage space over here where you can have another refrigerator. There's a huge sink to clean up all your lake mess and storage for all of your tools and lake toys. Okay, let's take it outside. So off of the terrace level, you have this great lower level covered porch with a sidewalk all the way down to the lake. Now on your way down to the lake, you'll notice all of this beautiful landscaping. The homeowner here was so intentional when planting this garden. There is something blooming every day of the year here in this backyard. It's amazing. Rounding out our tour, I've got to show you this great screen porch here off the side of the house and this amazing 4-season sunroom. So these panels can pop off and be a screen porch as well, or you can leave them sealed. So no matter what the weather is, this room always feels perfect. That concludes today's tour of 1360 Granite Drive. For more information on this listing and others, visit my website, lifesgood on lakeoconee.com.